Rod's Reviews and Demos, everybody. So making a little video here, just a little tutorial on how to hook up banana plugs. This is a banana plug. The banana plugs are great. I definitely recommend using them. As for wire, I'm using SKAR wire. It's oxygen-free copper. It's actually tinned. You can see it doesn't look like copper because it's actually tinned. Just keeps everything real clean, and it basically has like no resistance. They recommend 16 gauge wire for these speakers. I always use 12 gauge. There's no reason not to. It doesn't cost that much more, and this is high current stuff. The less resistance you have, the cleaner your sound's going to be. So then I got these. These are Mediabridge Banana connectors that I'm using, and these things are great. They really make for a clean installation. You can see there's no strands of wire hanging out. They're corrosion resistant. They're really easy to install. You just strip like a 1/2 inch of insulation off your wire, then you stick the wire up through their banana plug, and you can see there's just a little wire sticking through there, and then you just umbrella it. You umbrella the strands around this golden crimper thing there. The golden thing in there has a bunch of teeth on it. You don't want them all bunched together. You kind of want to spread them out as much, as best as you can. They ain't got to be perfect. This ain't like it's a $100,000 stereo system. So then this cap just goes on there. You can see it's got a little O-ring in there, and that's to keep from getting electrolysis. You always want something separating the different metals. Otherwise, the current will cause a little corrosion and stuff. So these are supposed to be corrosion proof. And you can see the banana plugs have these little grooves in there. These are 24 karat gold plated, and it has these little grooves in there. And this actually compresses when you stick it in there, so it keeps it tight. Very nice. I definitely recommend this wire, the SKAR audio wire, and these Mediabridge banana plugs are great, and they weren't super expensive. So yeah, these are just great items to use. Keeps everything real clean and professional looking. So that is hooking up your banana plugs. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Cheers.